At first, the plan was for the drainage pipes for rainwater from a new multi-story car park at Billund Airport to be made of plastic, but the plumbing installer Knudsen had it changed to stainless steel pipes from BLÜCHER.
In the end, it actually turned out to be a little bit cheaper.
And what's even better, it looks good.
You get something worth looking at, even in many years. The plastic is just a black tube. This seems like quality. And we like that what's delivered is top-notch.
Stainless steel is more expensive to purchase than plastic, but plastic takes longer to install.
In terms of time, it takes at least 20 to 25% longer. With the stainless steel, you also have the advantage that you are not dependent on the weather. You are when you weld plastic. You can't weld plastic with even just a sprinkle. Here, you just assemble them, boom, moving on.
The huge time saving with stainless steel is the increased distance between suspensions.
When we go stainless, we can go all the way up to 3 meters between the supports with a 100% water-filled pipe. We can do that all the way up to a 160 millimeter. With a plastic product, you need supports every 60 to 80 centimeters. Stainless steel is generally a nice material to work with. You don't get dirty. They are all clean surfaces, and once they're set up, everything just works.